Okay, hello. I'm David Felipe Castaño from Telecommunication Engineering. I will talk about this first activity. The first part of this activity is answer some questions from theoretical questions, and we talk more about the medium's propagation of the waves, electromagnetic waves, and how we can find these factors for these mediums. Okay, we'll start with the exercise. For this exercise, I will use seawater, and with this with these parts. Okay, it starts. In this first step, I will try to calculate the tangent of Lewis' angle with this formula for this equation. For this part, I will try to get the frequency with the four lastest ID not for my four lastest number for my ID, and later plus with 20. And later with that I will try to replace this information in this equation, and later I will have the tangent of losses and later the angle. The angle I use it this I use it this equation, the tangent inverse of this angle. Later I will have this part. Okay, later I will try to understand what is the median of the propagation with the last answer. Like we can see, is less than 0.002, and I will use this dissipative dielectric will uses. Why? Because is less than 0.1, the angle of losses. And later I will try to understand to explain the step three according with the last part of the last table. Okay, the propagation contents gamma. I will use this part this with this equation, and later I replace and try to find some values with the last equation. Okay, we can see this part we have these values, and later with that I will replace in the formula the numbers and get this part. The second part I will try to explain the b the point b, um, the attenuation constant alpha. Okay, I need to explain that is in this part. I will use this equation for low for low dielectric for the last point. And with that, I will get the equations and I will replace the constants in this formula in this equation. It's like for the alpha, beta, and gamma. Gamma no is the other. Yes, and gamma, like this. Okay, this is the part. Okay, continue with the exercises. I have the step 4. In the step 4, I will try to, with the last answers, find the speed propagation, wavelength, and the penetration deep wave in the medium. I have these three equation, and it was easy because with the last answers, I get the the values and replace that, and later I will have this answer. For example, for speed propagation, I have this answer. For wavelength, and the last, that is the way in the medium, the penetration deep, I have it. Okay, that's my exercises, and this is my point of view.